If you're a practice owner in the healthcare industry, I have a question for you. When was the last time you checked your financial health? I'm not talking about doing a portfolio review or an investment review with your local advisor. I'm talking about really looking at the big picture. Well, guess what? I have good news for you. We created a financial assessment that allows you to look at every area of your finances to see what condition it looks like. Now, many of you are thinking, oh gosh, you're gonna ask for financial data, I gotta upload statements or personal statements, and that's gonna take me years and years, and I don't know where any of my stuff is. You don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is answer 100 questions, yes, no, or maybe. That's it. It's super simple, but it is gonna give you a snapshot of exactly where you are today. So, go to financialprosperityindex.com, take the assessment, and you won't regret it.